When I was young, I believed that peace was something you had to chase. I thought if I worked harder, accomplished more, and controlled everything around me, stress would eventually disappear. But the more I chased after peace, the further it ran from me. Have you ever felt that way? As though life keeps asking for more, and in trying to hold everything together, your mind becomes heavy, your heart restless. Stress is not simply the weight of the world, it is often the weight of our own expectations. We want life to unfold according to our design, and when it does not, we resist. But resistance is like holding a rope that is being pulled. The tighter we grip, the more painful it becomes. I remember one of my teachers telling me a story. A man once came to him and said, "Master, my life is full of problems. Please, teach me how to remove them." My teacher smiled and replied, "Do you see that cemetery? That is the place where you will find people with no problems. If you want to live, problems will walk beside you. The art is not in removing them, but in learning how to dance with them." That lesson changed me. Stress relief is not about creating a perfect world. It is about learning to live wisely in an imperfect one. Let us begin with the breath. So simple, yet so often ignored. The breath is the bridge between the mind and the body. When we are stressed, notice how the breath becomes shallow, tight, hurried. And yet, if you pause, even for a single minute, to inhale deeply and exhale slowly, you send a signal to your body. It is safe. You may rest. This is not a theory. It is a practice. Try it now. Breathe in gently, hold for a moment, and let go. Do you feel how your mind softens, even slightly? This is the beginning of freedom. Another way to ease stress is through perspective. Imagine holding a glass of water. If I ask you, "Is it heavy?" you might say, "Not really." But if I ask you to hold it for 1 hour, your arm will ache. For a day, it may become unbearable. The weight does not change, but the longer you hold it, the heavier it feels. Stress is the same. The more we cling to worries, the heavier they become. Relief comes not by throwing the glass away, but by setting it down for a while. This is why rest, reflection, and stillness are not luxuries, they are necessities for a balanced life. In my journey, I discovered that much of our stress comes from living in a place that does not exist, the past or the future. The past brings regret, the future brings anxiety. But life only asks us to live in one place, the present. When we bring our full attention to this moment, stress begins to loosen its grip. The sound of the wind, the warmth of tea, the smile of a friend. These simple things remind us that peace has always been near, waiting quietly within the now. But perhaps the most profound lesson I've learned is this. Stress lessens when we serve something greater than ourselves. When we focus only on me, my plans, my desires, even small obstacles feel overwhelming. But when we shift to we, to kindness, to compassion, to purpose, our heart grows larger than our problems. The burden does not always disappear, but it becomes easier to carry. So, what can you do here and now? Begin small. Each morning, before rushing into the noise of the day, sit quietly for just 5 breaths. Ask yourself, what truly matters today? Do not let the unimportant steal your peace. At night, before sleep, let gratitude be your final thought. Even in difficult times, there is always something, however small, to be thankful for. Gratitude is the lamp that shows us light, even when the path is dark. Remember this, stress is not the enemy, it is a messenger. It tells us we are carrying too much, holding on too tightly, or forgetting to breathe. Listen to it, learn from it, and then release it gently, like setting down a stone by the roadside. If you take nothing else from this reflection, take this. Peace is not found by escaping life, but by embracing it with open eyes, open breath, and an open heart. I invite you to try this practice today. Take a moment to breathe, to notice, to set down what is too heavy. And as you do, may you discover that peace was never far away. It was always within you, waiting to be remembered.